Have you ever wondered why you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping? You wake up exhausted, struggle through the day, and collapse at night. This isn't laziness. This is fatigue. In this video, we'll explore the science behind why people get increasingly tired and how you can reclaim your energy. To understand fatigue, we need to start at the smallest level, your cells. Inside each cell is a tiny power plant called the mitochondrion. These structures convert food into ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Think of ATP as the universal currency of energy in your body. Every action your cells perform, from thinking to moving, requires ATP. When you consume food, your body breaks it down. Those nutrients enter your mitochondria, where they undergo a complex chemical process called cellular respiration. This process generates ATP molecules. When your mitochondria are healthy, you have abundant energy. But when they're stressed, ATP production drops. First, there's physical fatigue. This occurs when your muscles are overworked. When you exercise, your muscles deplete their ATP stores faster than your body can replenish them. This type of fatigue is temporary and resolves with rest. Your mitochondria rebuild the depleted ATP. Then, there's mental fatigue. Your brain is approximately 2% of your body weight, yet consumes about 20% of your energy. When you engage in complex cognitive tasks, your prefrontal cortex demands enormous amounts of ATP. After hours of mental work, your brain's glucose stores become depleted, and you experience mental exhaustion. The third type is emotional fatigue. When you experience stress, conflict, or emotional strain, your nervous system activates. This triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, which demand significant energy resources. Your body is burning ATP to fuel this stress response, even when you're not physically active. Chronic emotional stress means constant ATP depletion. In modern life, we experience all three types of fatigue simultaneously. You might be sitting at a desk, your mind is racing, emotions are triggered, and your nervous system is on high alert. One of the most significant modern fatigue contributors is sleep deprivation. During sleep, your mitochondria perform crucial maintenance. They clear out damaged components and rebuild ATP reserves. When you sleep only 5 or 6 hours, your mitochondria don't have enough time for restoration. Over time, this leads to accumulated cellular damage. Chronic stress is another major culprit. When constantly stressed, cortisol levels remain elevated. Chronically high cortisol damages mitochondria directly, inhibiting ATP production. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress damages mitochondria, damaged mitochondria produce less energy, low energy makes you more susceptible to stress. Our constant exposure to screens and digital information is exhausting our brains in unprecedented ways. Every notification triggers a small stress response. Every new piece of information requires processing. Your attention is constantly fragmented. Your attention is precious. The average person checks their phone over 100 times per day. Each check costs mental energy. Your nutrition directly impacts mitochondrial health and ATP production. To produce ATP efficiently, mitochondria need specific nutrients: B vitamins, magnesium, CoQ10, iron, and antioxidants. Many people eat plenty of calories, but lack specific micronutrients, leading to fatigue despite adequate food intake. Here's a paradox. Being sedentary makes you more tired. When you exercise, your body creates new mitochondria, improving your energy production. Chronic inflammation is an invisible energy thief. Low-grade inflammatory states force your immune system to work constantly. As cells use ATP, they release adenosine. When you're fatigued and not sleeping, adenosine builds up excessively. Your circadian rhythm regulates when mitochondria are most efficient. Working against this rhythm causes energy decline. Think of energy like a bank account. If you consistently withdraw more than you deposit, you accumulate an energy debt. The foundation of energy recovery is sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Create a sleep environment that's dark, cool, and quiet. Regular exercise is one of the most powerful energy-boosting interventions. Moderate aerobic exercise for 30 minutes most days increases mitochondrial efficiency. Feed your mitochondria. Consume whole foods rich in B vitamins, magnesium, healthy fats, and protein at every meal. Stress management is essential. Practice meditation, deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or journaling daily. Set specific times for checking messages. Use app limiters. Designate phone-free times during meals and mornings. Build recovery into your weekly schedule. True recovery means engaging in activities that bring you joy and help you feel alive. You now understand the science behind your fatigue and the 7 strategies that work. Choose one, commit for 1 week, then add another. Your energy transformation starts now. Align your life with your biological clock. Wake and sleep at consistent times, even on weekends. Get morning sunlight exposure within the first hour of waking. Schedule demanding cognitive work during your peak alertness hours. Recovering from accumulated fatigue isn't instant. Your mitochondria didn't become dysfunctional overnight, and they won't repair overnight. But research shows that with consistent implementation of these strategies, most people experience significant energy improvement within 4 to 8 weeks. As your body becomes healthier and more energized, your mind becomes clearer, your emotions become more balanced, and your resilience increases. Energy is the foundation of everything. Your productivity, your relationships, your capacity for joy. Fatigue isn't a character flaw. It's a signal that your energy system needs support. Instead of pushing through exhaustion, listen to it. Make the changes we've discussed. You deserve to feel vital, capable, and alive. Your transformation starts with one small step today. Remember, you don't have to change everything at once. Pick just one strategy. Try it for 7 days. Notice how your body responds. Then add another. Small, consistent changes create powerful results. Your body wants to heal. Give it the chance.